Iodine test. In this test, we will see the presence of polysaccharides, the effect of pH on this test, and the effect of temperature. Reagents used are 2% Lugol iodine solution, 10% sodium hydroxide, concentrated HCl, and concentrated sulfuric acid. Iodine test is a qualitative test for detection of polysaccharides. By this test, we can also differentiate between starch, dextrin, and glycogen. This test depends upon the property of adsorption possessed by large polysaccharide molecules. Helically coiled polysaccharides adsorb smaller molecules of iodine on their surface to form a complex of ill-defined chemicals. At least 8 monosaccharide units should be joined in a linear chain to give the colored complex. The property of absorption decrease on heating. On heating, the iodine and polysaccharide complex dissociate and the color disappears. The color reappears on cooling. Except in the case of dextrin, it has been suggested that heating produces a change on the surface of dextrin molecules, as a result of which they lose the property of adsorption. Therefore, the color doesn't appear on cooling. We will take 3 ml of carbohydrate solution in a test tube, then add 1 small drop of iodine solution in the test tube and then mix it. We will use a glass rod to obtain a small quantity of iodine because the excess of iodine may give a false result. Dip the tip of the glass rod in the iodine solution. The tip will carry a very small amount of iodine. Then mix this amount of iodine in the above test tube by dipping the tip of the glass rod. We will see the starch gives a blue color on addition of iodine, dextrin gives reddish purple color, and glycogen gives a reddish brown color. When no changes in color, it indicates the presence of polysaccharides in the given solution. Effect of pH. We will perform the iodine solution and then add 10% sodium hydroxide drop by drop till the color disappears. Then add sulfuric acid drop by drop till the color reappears. We will see the iodine test is positive only in acidic medium. Effect of temperature. We will perform iodine test and heat the test tubes till the color disappears, then cool the test tubes till the color reappears. Except in the case of dextrin, because in dextrin the color doesn't reappear. Iodine test is negative at high temperature and positive at lower temperature. It is better to perform it on the room temperature. Iodine test to detect the presence of polysaccharides, and we will see the effect of pH and effect of temperature. Take 3 ml carbohydrate solution, then add 1 small drop of iodine solution. Starch gives blue color, dextrin gives reddish purple color, glycogen gives reddish brown color. Here you can see it's a blue color and it's a starch.